Hello friends. Today I am here with one more interesting book, which emphasizes about the power of our habits. The Power of Habit, by Charles Duhigg, is a fascinating exploration of the science behind habits and how they shape our lives, both individually and collectively. Here's a summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. The habit loop. Duhigg introduces the concept of the habit loop, which consists of three components: cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers the habit, the routine is the behavior itself, and the reward is the positive outcome that reinforces the habit. 2. The neuroscience of habits. The author explores the neuroscience behind habits, explaining how habits are formed and stored in the brain. He discusses the role of habit loops in shaping behavior and the ways in which habits can be changed or replaced. 3. Keystone habits. Duhigg introduces the concept of keystone habits, which are small changes or behaviors that have ripple effects and lead to other positive changes in our lives. He provides examples of keystone habits, such as exercise, that can transform other areas of our lives. 4. The habits of successful organizations. The author examines how habits shape the culture and performance of organizations. He discusses the importance of identifying and changing organizational habits to drive innovation, productivity, and success. 5. The power of willpower. Duhigg explores the relationship between habits and willpower, explaining how habits can either reinforce or deplete our willpower reserves. He provides strategies for strengthening willpower and breaking unhealthy habits. 6. Changing habits. The author discusses strategies for changing habits, including identifying triggers and rewards, experimenting with new routines, and harnessing the power of social support and accountability. 7. Habits and society. Duhigg examines the role of habits in shaping societal trends and behaviors, from consumer spending habits to social movements. He discusses how understanding and influencing habits can drive positive social change. 8. The habits of individuals. The author shares personal stories and case studies of individuals who have successfully changed their habits and transformed their lives. He highlights the power of self-awareness, motivation, and perseverance in overcoming destructive habits. 9. Conclusion: Harnessing the power of habit. Duhigg concludes by emphasizing the transformative potential of understanding and harnessing the power of habits. He encourages readers to cultivate self-awareness, experiment with habit changes, and leverage the science of habits to achieve personal and professional goals. Overall, The Power of Habit offers valuable insights into the psychology of habits and provides practical strategies for changing behavior and achieving lasting change. It is a compelling and informative read that sheds light on the mysterious forces that shape our daily lives. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!